Horses are magnificent animals, and the miracle of their reproduction is a fascinating journey. From the moment of consumption until fall takes its very first step. The gestation period in mare is a story of growth, patience, and careful care. On average, the gestation period of horse lasts about 11 months, or roughly 340 days. However, it can be vary from 320 to 370 days, depending on the factor like the mare's age, health, breed, and even the season. Once the consumption occurs, the embryo remains mobile within the uterus for the first few weeks, searching for the perfect place to implant. By around day 40, the developing foal has already taken shape, with the tiny organ beginning to form. As the pregnancy progresses through the second trimester, the fetus steadily grows in size. By the fifth month, it is about the size of a small rabbit, and features like a man, tail, and horns begin to develop. The final trimester is the most critical. The foal gains most of its weight during this time, growing stronger and preparing for life outside the womb. Meanwhile, the mare's body adjusts to provide maximum nourishment, and subtle changes signal the approach of birth. Unlike many animals, mares typically give birth quickly, often within 20 to 30 minutes. Once labor begins, this rapid delivery is nature's way of ensuring the foal can stand and nurse soon after birth, reducing the risk of predator in the wild. Newborn foal are remarkable. They usually stand within an hour and walk and nurse soon after. This immediate independence is vital for survival, reflecting the strength and resilience of the species. Soon from consumption to birth, the horse's gestation period is nearly a year-long journey of development and care for breeders and horse lovers alike. Understanding this process is key to ensuring the health of both mare and foal and appreciating the wonder of new life. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.